Hello audio enthusiasts, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into the world of wireless audio with a very solid product. Now we're talking about the Naztech XPods true wireless earbuds. So get ready to experience audio freedom like never before. And we're gonna jump right into these guys right after a word from today's sponsor, of course.
With VIP-URCDKEY, you can install and activate Windows for only 16 bucks.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It's fast, easy, and 100% legit. You can now enter my new promo code for 2023, RAV25, which will now save you 25% on your purchase. So get rid of that Windows activation watermark and get your system activated today. It also works for Windows 11 as well. Check the links in the description.
All right, starting with a quick unboxing of the XPods Pros. So inside the box, you of course get the instruction manual, a USB-C charging cable, then you also get 5 extra tips for your earbuds to make sure you find the perfect fit in your ears. And of course, lastly, you get the earbuds themselves and the charging case. Okay, everybody, take a look at these guys. These are the XPods Pro true wireless earbuds right here. So say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to pure audio freedom, basically. So these guys are super stylish looking. They look very similar to another type of wireless earbud. These are my daily driver Apple Airpods right here. And if you look at them, yeah, they look pretty freaking similar other than the way they actually go into the case, which is pretty funny. So, I'll reference those again later in the video, of course. But we're not here to talk about the Airpods. We're here to talk about the XPods. So let's talk about some key features. And I want to start that off with the superior sound quality of these little guys right here. Now, these guys actually pack a serious punch when you're listening to them, and here are some of the top features that set them apart from the rest of the earbuds out there that you may see that are in this price range. So the first thing I want to talk about is the immersive sound experience. So these guys pack powerful 10mm dynamic drivers that deliver crystal clear audio with deep bass and detailed highs. Now, I actually really enjoy their sound, and I feel like they're very similar to these guys right here in sound especially. So one of the main features of these guys right here is the seamless Bluetooth connectivity. So you can effortlessly connect your devices for uninterrupted music streaming and calls. So I was able to do this very easily and I did not experience any issues with it at all. Another awesome feature of the XPods is the intuitive touch control. So all you got to do is simply tap to play, pause, skip tracks, adjust volume, and answer calls with just a touch of your finger. Now I know you guys are going to probably ask me, how long do these things last and how much battery do you actually get? So these guys have 5 hours of playtime on a single charge, and then the case right here also provides an additional 20 hours of backup when you place the earbuds back into the case. And now one cool thing you can do is you can also just give them a quick 10-minute quick charge, and that'll give you a full hour of playback, when you're in a pinch, maybe waiting for a plane or something. And something really cool is these can also be charged wirelessly via a wireless charger, and all you got to do is set them on top of it and they begin charging. And if you don't happen to have one of those handy, you can also just use the included USB-C cable to charge them as well. Now, one feature that stood out to me of these guys was actually the sweat and water resistance. So the XPods feature IPX4 sweat and water resistance, so you can work out, dance in the rain, or conquer your daily tasks without worrying about water or sweat damaging your earbuds.
Hey guys, so I just got done huge high intensity workout with the Naztech Pro headphones here, and I gotta say they do sound really good. I didn't notice anything weird that distracted me from my workout. They do a really good job of blocking out the background noise, especially when you're in a crowded gym with I couldn't even hear the music that was playing in the gym, just could hear mine, so that's really good. +1 for that. And then also, if you guys see, I was sweating quite profusely, a lot, and they stuck in my ears no problem. Sweating didn't affect their ability to put great sound in my ears, nothing like that. So from a perspective of just working out with them and doing what you would normally do during the day, they're actually really great.
Now, as you can see, these guys aren't all that bad to look at either. So this is where style meets comfort. So the Naztech XPods Pro feature a sleek and ergonomic design that not only looks great, but also fits in your ears perfectly. And you can also express your personality with multiple color options to suit your style. Now, I have the black and white colorways right here available that they sent me, but these are also available in a red color as well if you guys prefer that color, or maybe you wanted to match something that goes along with your style. So there you have it, folks, the Naztech XPods Pro true wireless earbuds. So these are here to bring you a really great audio experience for the price, convenience because of the small small form factor, as you see right here, and style, as they are very sleek and minimal. So say goodbye to your tangled wires and enhance the freedom of wireless audio if you haven't already, you guys. So now, are they on par with something like my daily driver, Apple AirPod Pros right here? Honestly, not at all, but they do not cost the same either, and they're not the same thing. One thing that AirPods have that these XPods don't is active noise canceling. Now, the XPods still do a great job of blocking out unwanted background noise because of the tip, and they fit right into your ear and block out the noise, but they do not have the feature that lets you listen to audio around you while also hearing everything around you, like in an airport or something like that. That would have been cool to see if these had that feature, and if they did, these would be pretty much an Apple AirPod killer for sure. But anyway, nonetheless, go ahead and check these out if you guys are interested in them, and if you're excited about them, go ahead and grab a pair for yourself. You can check out my link in the description, and I'll give you a code right there. They'll also give you a 10% discount on your purchase. And also, guys, as always, don't forget this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you won't miss any of our future audio adventures or tech adventures, period. So, and remember, if you do have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys as always. But thank you for joining me today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.